Howdy, this is Glenn from Cougar Chemical talking about our brand new product in. This is from Core. This is called our Unbelievable Ink Out. This is a great product for doing exactly that, getting ink out of seats, getting ink out of clothing, getting ink out of, anywhere that's fabric or a carpet surface. This will be great for you. All right, so what you're going to do is you're just going to spray this product right on the stain. You can see we got an X right there. That's a permanent marker. So we're just going to spray this product right on. That'll do right there. And then you are going to take a microfiber towel or a rag of some type, and you're going to blot. Just blot that in, let it sit a few minutes. Doing our second application. Time to take a little brush right here. You can already see it coming out right there. Hard to even find it. We're going to let this dry, see what it looks like, and then from there we'll show you what it finally looks like at the end.